Hey firms, tax season is coming. Are you happy with your current cloud provider or considering other options for hosting your tax applications? If low-cost cloud providers are on your evaluation list, you might want to think again. It's tempting to cut technology costs where it makes sense, but your firm's security and future growth path are really worth protecting. Let's take a minute and talk about the hidden costs of lower cost accounting and tax cloud providers. First of all, let's start with security. Security is not the right place to cut costs. While cybersecurity has always been complex for accounting firms, the advanced automation and generative AI tools that hackers now have access to are definitely increasing the cybersecurity risk to your practice. It now takes enterprise-class tools to combat these threats, as well as in-depth knowledge of today's accounting environment. These enterprise-class tools are well beyond the budgets of those firms that are trying to manage security themselves, or for local providers that try to cobble together a bunch of low-cost, open-source tools to create a budget security suite. Protecting a firm adequately requires a cybersecurity team that understands our profession and the myriad of ways we interact internally, as well as with our clients. Budget providers simply don't have the depth of specialized talent or the breadth of specialized tools that you need to protect your firm and your client data. Second of all, your firm should also dig deeper into pricing models. Growth can cost you, but it shouldn't in the cloud. So watch out for hosting package prices that seem too good to be true. If you're being charged for each individual application you bring into your cloud, it could add up very quickly. Consider that larger firms often use 60 or more applications every single week. Seriously, you want a single, secure place to access all of your apps. And you want the cloud to provide reliable margins and growth for your firm. So get a pricing model that grows with you and not just the cheapest option. We've all seen deals that seem too good to be true, and it may not be low cost for long. Finally, make sure your evaluation includes the overall risk to your firm. If you're tempted by low-cost options, consider that smaller providers with outsourced support teams can create single points of failure for your firm. If your technical lead leaves, you may have a tough time getting what you need from that provider, and your support experience is likely to be less than what you had expected. Also, consider that performance, integration, and service levels matter more than the underlying infrastructure used to deliver your hosting experience. You need a provider with a solid track record of making all your firm's applications run seamlessly in the cloud. Cloud service providers focus on service for a reason. So let me finish up by saying, with over 700 employees and 20 years of accounting and tax-focused experience, Rightworks is the leader and the largest provider of cloud experiences for accounting firms like yours. We manage your move to the cloud end-to-end with customized onboarding and the best support in the profession, and also a large team of in-house data center, security, and application experts who make sure you are always up and running. If you're using CCH or Thompson applications, you need to be in the Rightworks OneSpace cloud like your peers. And remember, low-cost providers can cost your firm a lot more than you think.